The build quality, I can already tell, is much higher. It's more shallow, and that's because you can actually buy another air fryer tray. They fit 2 baskets. Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna unbox and review the new Breville Air Fryer Pro. Well, maybe not so new because they did release it a few years ago, but it is brand new. I just bought it. And if you've been on my channel, you know that I tested a lot of different air fryers and a lot of different toaster ovens. And most recently I've been using the Breville Air Fryer regular version and also the Panasonic toaster oven, which I'm gonna compare, and there will be a review video on my channel very soon. For many different reasons, which I'm gonna reveal in this video, I decided to purchase Breville Air Fryer Pro, and it's right here right now. It's super heavy, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to lift it, so I'm gonna try to unbox it here with you somehow. Yeah, let's just get into it. We almost got it out. Look at that. Now I have to lift it. I'm gonna put everything on this table, and yeah, let's see what's inside. Let's see how different this Air Fryer Pro is from the regular standard air fryer that I have right now here. First of all, the size. The Air Fryer Pro is bigger, so let's see how it looks. Time to unpack. You excited, Tom Cheek? He might get something to eat out of it. Mixed spring rolls. Ooh, what's that? Okay, this looks very different. I definitely did not get this. I wonder this. Okay, so this is where you put under crumbs, anything that drips down ends up here, and I can see this is very different. I mean, it looks similar material that it's made out of. I hope it's gonna be easier to clean. That would be amazing. So first things first, here we get the manual. Okay, so here's the manual, and this is the tray that comes with this Air Fryer Pro, and it's very different from the one that I got with the air fryer that I bought a few years ago. I mean, what do you call it actually? Okay, so you get 2-year limited warranty, better than 1 year, not bad. Here's the manual. Crumb tray, that's what you call it. Okay, there is my dog is literally in between my legs. I can't move. But you get this beautiful crumb tray with it, and this looks completely different from the one that I got with my regular air fryer a few years ago when I bought it. This looks stainless steel. I'll have to check, but I already can tell this is a much better material. The other one is hard to clean, and this, yeah, you even get like a rubber handle here. Very interesting. So far I can tell this is already better. Next, this is a pizza pan, right? So it's a 13-inch non-stick pizza pan. I did use it a few times when I was making pizza at home, heating up pizza at home, let's say. And it was fine. Breville also sells a pizza stone, which is much better. I'm gonna link it down below. If you make pizza at home, it's better to invest. This is basically like a, you know, last minute solution. If you don't have anything, you can use this, but just get the pizza stone. Apparently pizza steel is even better, but I literally can't find it anywhere, so pizza stone is still probably our best option. I haven't used a pizza steel ever in my life. If you did, let me know if it's better than pizza stone. We also get a wire rack. I mean, looks pretty much the same as the one that came with the air fryer. Maybe the size is slightly bigger. I will have to check, but so far only the creme tray looks different. Okay, more accessories. So here we have a roasting rack. It's the smaller one that goes inside of this roasting pan. So you can cook chicken, turkey, whatever it fits. And this already looks bigger than the one that I got with the Air Fryer Pro. So this is nice if you want, like, you know, make turkey, maybe a smaller turkey for Thanksgiving, you know. And this is our precious air fryer basket. And this also looks very different than the one with the air fryer model. The Air Fryer Pro is, first of all, bigger, obviously, but it's more shallow, and that's because you can actually buy another air fryer tray and you can fit a lot more, like fries or whatever you're air frying inside of the air fryer. You can actually fit 2 baskets, and I believe you only can fit 1. That's why it's deeper. So this is neat. I probably will be buying, yes, I'll be buying pizza stone from Breville and another air fryer rack. Although this may be enough. We'll see, because it's much bigger. Okay, we have our toaster oven out of the box. It looks so different. I mean, I guess they must change this every few years. They like do like some minor tweaks and upgrades, and that's why like some of the accessories look different. I wonder if I can like get the same crumb tray for standard air fryer model, like if it's gonna be this material, which I'm pretty sure it's stainless steel. I mean, don't quote me on that. Yeah, that's the plug, which also looks different. I'm looking at my old air fryer, looks very different. I love it. This is obviously upgraded. I'm gonna show you some clips. So now you get this flat plug that obviously doesn't, you know, look like this, because that's what I have with my Breville coffee maker. That's what I have with my air fryer, with my Breville kettle. Oh my god, looks like I'm sponsored by everything I bought with my own money. As you can tell, I really like their stuff. But every plug that I have, because I bought it years ago, unfortunately it's so big and it like sticks out. So I actually got like mini plugs that like allows you to plug in the plug differently so it fits. But yeah, this is so much better. Now, whenever I need to upgrade my coffee maker, my kettle, I'm gonna be very happy if it's gonna come with this plug. It's gonna be great. Okay, so first things first, obviously, it looks very different than the regular air fryers. I'm gonna show you some clips side by side. These knobs are very different. The handle here is different. Should let me, yep, much better. And here it shows you all the different settings. This one comes with dehydrate and proof. All the other settings that are here are also on my regular air fryer, so you don't get a ton of new things. This is technically just $50 more plus tax. The build quality, I can already tell, is much higher, and it's obviously much bigger. I really hope it's gonna fit there. I don't have a lot of room. It's a very small kitchen, but it looks really nice. And it has, from like the first impressions, what I can already tell that is different visually, it has a little button here for volume, which is also a Fahrenheit or Celsius option. So this is great. My other one doesn't have it, so not bad. Let's put this in, let's see. It's gonna be on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. After I thoroughly test this, I'm gonna make a full review on this. Also a comparison between the air fryer regular, air fryer pro, and also my little Panasonic that is there. But what you have to do whenever you get a new toaster oven, any other, you know, appliance that you cook food with, you gotta prep it. Because obviously there will be some chemical smells, so don't cook food in it right away. First run it for at least 20 minutes, get, you know, those smells out. So that's what we're gonna do as soon as I'm gonna put this in. Wow. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, that's pretty nice. I'm like afraid to put fingerprints on it. Oh, I hope it's easier to clean, because these prongs, instead of whatever's there, like you can probably clean it, right?
You know, I'm starting to think.
Hey, don't touch it. Oh, did you see the plug?
Oh, how nice.
It's flat now, yeah.
I'm starting to wonder if this shouldn't go here, and then we clear this up. I want to see if it fits here first.
Yeah.
If it fits here, it should stay there. I don't know if it's going to get splattered by the stove, but fine.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world. All right. Well,
It's. I think it's mostly whiter.
Sure.
You know.
It's so greasy.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna clean it.
This too.
First things first, gotta clean.
That's what I have. I mean, this will work.
Oh, okay.
It's not ideal, but it'll work.
Wow.
It takes up definitely a lot more space, but I can live with it.
Yeah. Looks very nice. Cool.